Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and what I've got tonight is a challenge lock that goes by the name of Nailbiter. This was made by Beer Can Bushcraft, otherwise known as Tinnie, and this came to me via Nigby. So I've only had it a couple of days, or a day in fact. I think this is day 2, and I've made some good progress with this. It's a pretty cool lock. It's really well made. There's a lot of work has clearly gone into this. Very, very talkative lock, as you'll see. Gives a great deal of feedback, but not all of that feedback, I guess, can be trusted, as we'll find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this set up in a vise and get it focused so I can really concentrate on getting this open. Has already been opened by Brett Sucks, and he got a very good time getting this open, so I should be very pleased if I can get anything close to that. So I'll get this set up, get it focused, and we'll be right back. Right then, so ready to go. Let's see if we can get a good open. I'm probably not going to say a heck of a lot. I am going to concentrate. Here we go. I'm really delighted with that. Really delighted. Right. Okay. Let's get this gutted and have a look at the insanity inside, because I don't know what to expect here. Right, where's my tray? I'm going to switch to multi-focus and I'll lock it back up while I use the key to gut it. Really love how this lock has been made. It's literally been made to be taken apart by the looks of things. I might have to use a doodad to pop that off. Oh, it was just sitting on there. Not actually having to push it off, just push it to one side by the looks of things. There we go. Which way around? Okay. Let's get a key in there. Let's put a shim in there. Don't want to brick anything. Some lovely touches on it. It's a nice smiley face on the back. Ah, right, okay. Wasn't expecting that. Follower doesn't fit. Or does it? Right. My follower only sort of goes in halfway. Right. Be awfully careful putting that back together again. Right. Yeah, so first thing you see, there's a ton of threading and counter milling. So counter milled at the top, threaded throughout. That's where that grabbiness is coming from. Yeah, he's pinned. Look at those pins. Tinnie has been busy. These are lovely. First time I picked this, I was in false sets, and I think I got some of the key pins up into the Bible. You think you're still picking the lock and you're not. Cool. Right, this, you need to be awfully careful. So that's number one. Number two, right. So we've got, I will take the springs out because they are different rates, spring rates. I'm going to hook them out gently with a pick. First spring appears to be a brass one. And we've got a steel. Another steel in three by the looks of things. But this one's a narrower coil. Looks like a padlock spring. I'll take a look at 4. Different spring again. And 5. Another brass spring. Right, let's get the camera down rather than lift this up and risk binning the pins everywhere. Oh, hang on, light's not so good. That is quite the selection of pins there, Tinnie. I really love picking this. It's been a real joy. I love locks with loads and loads of feedback, and this lock gives loads and loads of feedback. So that is Nailbiter by Tinnie, and it's awesome. And I'm sure plenty of other people are going to have a go on this thing. So I'm going to get it back together again nice and safely and get it off to, I think Nick's Picks is next up in the list. So I shall get this off. I've just got to do Vimes quickly, and we'll get that all in the post within a day or two. So that's it for Nailbiter. Again, thank you, Tinnie. Awesome lock. Enjoy your picking. Cheers.